In this video, you'll learn how to add a background video to your Webflow project. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance your website's visual appeal with dynamic video content. Start by navigating to your Webflow project. Open your web browser and enter the URL for your specific Webflow site. Once the page loads, you should see your project dashboard, which contains your existing pages. Next, locate the button labeled Add Element on the left side of the screen. This button usually appears as a plus icon. Click this icon to reveal a menu containing various elements that you can add to your project. Once the menu appears, scroll down until you find the option labeled Advanced. Click on Advanced to expand the options available in that section. This will lead you to more specialized elements that can be added to your site. After that, look for the background video option within the advanced elements. It should be clearly labeled. Click on background video to select it, which will then allow you to upload your desired video. Now, you will see a button that says upload. Click on this button to initiate the video upload process. This action prompts your File Explorer to open, allowing you to select a video file from your computer. Choose a video file that you wish to use as a background. Ensure that the video format is supported and that the file size is manageable. Larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet connection speed. Next, click on the Open button after selecting your video file. This action begins the upload process. You may see a message indicating that the video is transcoding, which means it is being processed for use as a background video. Finally, wait for the transcoding process to complete. This may take some time depending on the size of the video and your internet speed. Once the process is finished, your background video will be ready to use on your site. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.